Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to day 2 of our Vietnam and Indonesia trip. But first, no coffee. Starbucks not opening until 7 a.m.
Tell them what time it is.
Oh, right now it is 4:40 a.m. We woke up at 3 a.m. Luckily, it was Sunday in the US, so we were able to watch the Seahawks, but jet lag, you won. So right now, we are getting ready to start our day, and we have a very interesting situation. Let me show you. Here it is, you guys. That's Audrey, and this Airbnb has no mirror in the bedroom. So Audrey is using the photo booth.
Also, it's because where the mirror is, there's no plug. So.
Yep. So she's using the photo booth app on her laptop as a mirror.
This is my solution.
Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, right?
Yeah, we'll see how so far I think it's doing alright.
Alright. But anyway, thank you for those who have subscribed so far. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button down below. I'll see you guys after we're done getting ready. I think the plan for today is after we get ready, we'll go to my parents' house, have breakfast, and I don't know, we'll go from there. I forgot what we're supposed to do today. We do have a dinner with my dad's side as a family, probably 20-something people. But yeah, tag along. See you in a bit. Alright guys, so we just took a taxi to my parents' house. We're gonna walk into the alley. Come with me. It's kind of weird. Yeah, let's go.
So we got to Queen's parents' house, but we're really hungry, so we're eating breakfast first. And this is what we're eating.
Can you see it?
Come tam.
Now we're bringing the food back, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, food secure.
Just getting a little rained on though.
Yep. Let's go. Gotta secure this food.
So we just got back, we brought our plate, and then now we're having breakfast with the parentals. They're eating something different. So we just finished breakfast, and then now we got some Vietnamese iced coffee. What's this version called, love?
Maxu.
Bexu. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. We got it from a vendor down the alley earlier. Now let's give it a try and see if it's too strong or not. Oh, that's really sweet.
It's really sweet?
Mm-hmm. Did you try yours yet?
Not yet. So far, she get a lot of attention though.
Oh my gosh, everyone was just staring at me. I was just like trying not to look. But yeah.
Alright, you guys, now we're gonna do a house tour. So as you come in, that's the main door. My grandparents' house has 3 floors. Now we go to the first floor. This used to be my room, but it's not. Someone's staying here now. You go out there, you can say hi to your neighbors. I say hi to them all the time, just wave at them like hello. And then, this room is where I grew up and stayed here for 12 years of my life. Wow. That's where I stayed. This is where so we eat here. After we're done eating, we stack the table up in the corner. We roll out a mattress and where we sleep, and we study right there, all in the same room. Oh, we cook here too. Let me show you.
The world's tiniest kitchen.
Here you go. You got 2 stoves, 3 stoves, all the condiments, everything. You do dishes here. Yeah, all in one place. Now we go to second or third floor. that was the second floor. But my auntie was teaching yoga, so we can't go in there. And this is the top floor. All right, so now we're at the top floor. This is the community room. Have all these plants. Oh, by the way, it used to be an open door space. They just put the roof over it.
He's driving right now. It's terrifying. It's hard over there. We're on a motorbike.
Now,
Following these parents.
you guys, life update.
Don't mind my crazy helmet hair, by the way.
Yep.
We've been on a bike ride for like
Gotta get the helmet.
an hour maybe.
Yep.
And like my butt hurts so bad.
Yeah. But so we've been riding around Saigon, checking out a few places. My dad decided to give us a little tour. He showed Audrey where I was born, my elementary school, my middle school, and now he's exchanging some money. We're gonna get some snack.
And we're on the hunt for coffee.
All right, life update. We just met up with my cousin, Wing.
Hi.
I'm gonna put her Instagram name right there. Go follow her. About to have some traditional Vietnamese lunch. What else? It's like look pretty cool. Look like a Vietnamese countryside vibe. We got the old school clay pot and dish, and we got some fish, pork, soup, and then morning glory stuff, right? Let's eat. So Audrey and I are walking around, trying to find some snacks. We got the rice paper snacks. Not the legit one though, it's just an okay one,
How
but
do you know if it's legit or not?
it's based on the setup.
You keep saying that, but like, I don't know. You're not even filming our heads.
Oh. Well, we'll try it out, so we'll see.
Later that same evening.
We are back. Sorry for a horrible vlogging day, but we have to do so many things. We drove around a lot. After we got the snack, went back to our Airbnb. Audrey took a nap. I did some editing, and then we head out for a family dinner with my dad's side of the family. We didn't want to vlog there, so no footage. But for the second day in a row, jet lag won.
For now, I'm so tired. It's like 9:40 p.m. It's like 6:30 a.m. back home, and I'm just struggling to keep my eyes open. So yeah.
Yep. Thank you for watching, you guys. Click the subscribe button to join our adventure in Vietnam and Indonesia, and don't forget to keep winning at life.
See you tomorrow.